AI is no longer science fiction. It's already shaping our world, managing our power, trading billions, and even making decisions that affect our daily lives. From running electricity grids to guiding financial markets, AI is becoming more and more involved in the most critical areas of our society. But with all this power, where does that leave us? This is Neo Gamma, a humanoid robot designed to move like a human and interact with the world. It can understand speech, help with tasks, and even assist people with mobility challenges. Take a look at these two Figaro 2 robots, powered by Helix Visual Language Action Model. One of the coolest features is its ability to make robots work together seamlessly, even handling items they've never seen before. Just look at the way they look at each other. This is insane. Clone Robotics has introduced Clone Alpha, a musculoskeletal android with synthetic muscles and a human-like skeleton, allowing natural movement and interaction. It understands plain English commands for household tasks. Its humanoid design mimics the human body with incredible accuracy. It uses myofiber artificial muscles which replicate natural muscle movements. Its nervous system includes 4 depth cameras, 70 motion sensors, and 320 pressure sensors, all controlled by NVIDIA Jetson Thor AI for real-time movement and feedback. It is the closest thing to a synthetic human. On Reddit, users are amazed at how Claude 3.7 Sonnet can generate complex meme code with minimal input, showing its potential to transform educational content creation. This is me playing a fully functional asteroid game generated entirely by Claude 3.7 Sonnet, the latest model from Anthropic. In the upcoming years, these models could be creating hyper-realistic simulations, fully interactive environments, and even personalized educational content with zero input beyond a single prompt. This is Shenzhen, China. It might not be the Robocop we imagined, but it's a sign of things to come. What does the future look like when machines can think, learn, and interact in the very spaces we occupy? Maybe the line between man and machine is getting a little blurrier. Elon Musk recently made a $97.4 billion bid to buy OpenAI, but Sam Altman shut it down.
The company is not for sale, neither is the mission. We're happy to buy Twitter if you want to talk about that.
Now Musk warns of an AI singularity, while Altman pushes ahead with a $500 billion AI project. Musk, who co-founded OpenAI in 2015, left after disagreements. Now he wants it back, calling OpenAI too corporate and secretive.
OpenAI has gotten this far while having at least a sort of dual profit, non-profit role. What they're trying to do now is completely delete the non-profit.
And with Musk now in the US government, he's not just competing, he's influencing AI regulations. Is this about making AI safer or securing power of the AI race?
Anybody unhappy with it? If you are, we'll throw them out of here.
While US companies keep their most powerful AI models closed, China's DeepSeek is doing the opposite, open sourcing AI. This means anyone can modify it and use it freely. Some see this as a shift in AI control, preventing a monopoly on advanced AI. Others warn that open access could be dangerous if misused. So what's the better future, AI controlled by a few corporations or AI that's open to everyone? Nobel Prize winner Geoffrey Hinton told LBC's Andrew Marr that AI has developed a form of consciousness.
Do you think that consciousness has perhaps already arrived inside AI?
Yes, I do. So let me give you a little test. Suppose I take one neuron in your brain, one brain cell, and I replace it by a little piece of nanotechnology that behaves exactly the same way. So it's getting pings coming in from other neurons, and it's responding to those by sending out pings, and it responds in exactly the same way as the brain cell responded. I just replaced one brain cell. Are you still conscious? I think you say you were.
Absolutely, yes. I don't suppose I'd notice.
Neuroscientist and neuropsychologist Thomas Z. Ramsoy said Hinton's claim that AI is conscious is premature and misunderstands what consciousness truly is. It's not just processing information, but the subjective experience of awareness. Mislabeling AI as conscious risks poor policy decisions and a flawed understanding of intelligence itself. For now, he says, AI is just a tool. The lights are on, but no one is home. Imagine having a conversation with an AI so natural, so fluid that it feels like you're talking to a real person. That's exactly what Sesame AI is delivering. Here's a short clip of a Reddit user, Gavin Purcell, interacting with Miles, one of Sesame's AI voice chatbots.
Have been doing super illegal things across the board, and I know, and you're gonna keep paying me, and I'm not gonna work here anymore.
You're kidding me? Embezzling? For 4 years you think you can just waltz in here and threaten me? You got some serious nerve, pup. You think you're the only one with skeletons in the closet?
Ooh, tell me your skeletons, because I know them. You better tell me some skeletons. What do you got?
You think you know? You think you know everything? You're just a cog in the machine, kid. A replaceable one at that.
Oh, no, you're not going to replace me because I know what you did in Malta in 2027.
Malta? 2027? What are you babbling about, you little worm?
With advances in NLP and emotional intelligence, voice AIs will go beyond assistants, evolving into digital companions that remember past chats, adapt to personalities, and offer emotional support.
Do you know how to get out of here? I need to find my ship to get off this planet.
Fuck you, shithead, fuckface, fuckhead!
In the words of Dario Amodei, Anthropic's CEO, the timeline and definition of AGI are...
When we're at the point where we have a model, an AI model that can do everything a human can do, at the level of a Nobel laureate, like the one sitting next to me, across many fields, can do anything a human can do remotely, can do tasks that take, minutes, hours, days, months. My guess is that we'll get that in 2026 or 2027.
MIT professor Max Tegmark emphasizes that we don't necessarily need full-blown AGI, but rather powerful and controlled AI tools.
And I'm going to argue that we can create an amazingly inspiring future with tool AI, as long as we don't build AGI, which is unnecessary, undesirable, and preventable.
Unchecked, AI might trigger global conflicts, economic collapse, or even environmental catastrophes, simply by trying to achieve its programmed goals without considering human values. To safely harness AI's immense potential, we must align it closely with humanity's goals before it's too late. The question isn't just what AI can do for us, but also what it might do to us.
AGI that nations and companies are racing to develop cannot be reliably controlled by any human institution. AI systems aren't programs engineered by people. They're digital constructs grown using giant computations on huge amounts of data. We don't really understand how they work or what's going on inside of them. We're far closer to building AGI than to understanding how it might be controlled.
Absolutely. We're far closer to building artificial general intelligence than understanding how to safely control it. The capabilities of AGI are accelerating faster than our grasp of its risks. Without careful, deliberate action now, we risk creating powerful systems whose behavior we cannot reliably predict or control. It's time to close the gap between capability and safety before it's too late.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. We'll keep you updated as AI continues to reshape our world. Let us know your thoughts in the comments and see you in the next video. Stay curious.